Hello guys, I'm Wenje back again. About the case, the helmet I mean, I've already met, but the design is pretty bad because I made it like this. Then we can put a cable into the back here. There's a hole. But the problem with this design is because there's nothing that hold this LCD. Just pretend that the green one is LCD. Because there's nothing holding it, I was soldering cable and it can be pulled out. Let's say this cable, when we apply force over here, the LCD can just pull out like that. You know what I mean? So I decided to remake this helmet with this one. New design. This is the new one that I made. It's similar, but now the whole it's pretty similar. But now, if you can see the inside, I give a little box. The purpose for that box is just to hold the LCD in place. Yeah, so we can light it right here. The LCD will stuck here even the cable is pulling out. It's maybe need to bring it. Maybe need to bring it like over here, but I don't know. I think this is pretty nice. I will test to print first before I give an update. But the file, you can get it on the pattern if you want to have the CD to have helmet. Okay, that for the update, guys. Thank you.